So good evening. I thought we'd do this. This is actually a kind of a validation of the new wiper blades. Got a light rainfall. Car's been sitting and was doing some yard work and stuff, so it did acquire a nice layer of dust. So I thought we'd just give it a try or show you exactly how effective the new blades are. I should have done a before and after because they were rather streaky, the older ones, but hold on a second here. Okay, we'll start it up and we'll just go ahead and turn them on. We have a light rainfall. I mean, it's probably a little heavier than sprinkling, but we'll leave it intermittent here. You do get a pretty generous wiping area in the windshield, but I think you can definitely see the difference between before and after. It's very clear, no streaks at all. So I'm pretty happy with that. Like I said, it seems like they're pretty decent quality, so hopefully they'll last a while. So anyway, that's all I have. I'm just gonna roll the car forward a little bit so I can park the van behind it. There we go. The old Dakota's in front of me. But as you can see, that it's definitely clear view. Anyway, that's all I have. Talk to everyone later.